Are you looking forward to get free Deluxe Pack in 2026 FIFA Panini app? Then you're on the right video. Today, I'm gonna show you exactly how to get a free Deluxe Pack in the 2026 FIFA Panini virtual album using FIFA rewards. The best part is that you don't have to spend any money. You simply complete a few tasks, earn points, and redeem your reward. According to multiple reports from collectors, FIFA Rewards currently allows users to exchange points for a Deluxe Pack code. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to any of the web browser. Here in the address bar, search for fifa.com/reward. It will be landing you on the official page of FIFA. Once you're in this page, click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Head over to FIFA Rewards. It will land you on this page. If you already have your account, then simply click on Join Now or create one if you do not have it. Enter the login credentials of your FIFA Rewards. Once you have entered, tap on Continue. Once you're in this page, click on both of these checkboxes and tap on Join Now. Click on Start Exploring at the bottom of the screen. You can tap on Save. And there you go, your FIFA Rewards account has been logged in. Now you have to scroll all the way down, and in the section of Earn and Redeem, you have to head over to Rewards. Currently, users report needing approximately 3,500 FIFA Rewards points to redeem a Deluxe Pack reward. FIFA has adjusted this requirement over time, so always check the latest amount shown in your account. Once you have enough points, open the Reward section. Find the Deluxe Pack reward, and then tap on Redeem. You can generate your reward code. The system will give you a promotional code that can be used in the FIFA Panini virtual album. Also, you might be wondering what's special about the Deluxe Pack. Unlike regular packs, Deluxe Packs include more stickers and exclusive content such as special metallic style stickers and host city collectibles that aren't normally available in standard packs. That's why many collectors are trying to get at least one Deluxe Pack before completing their album. Well, once you receive the promotional code, the next step is to open the FIFA Panini Collection app on your iPhone. Make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once you're inside the home page of the app, you need to head over to Promo Codes, paste the code you received from FIFA Rewards, and then tap on Redeem. After a few seconds, your Deluxe Pack should appear in your account. After that, you will be good to go. So these are all of the steps for you to receive the Deluxe Pack. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.